Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to do options, trading on Questrade. First, open your web browser and go to questrade.com. Once you're on the home page, click on the login button at the top right corner. Enter your username and password to sign in. If you don't have an account yet, click on Open an account and follow the instructions to create one. Once you're logged in, go to the trading platform. Questrade offers multiple platforms, but for this tutorial, we'll use the main web-based platform. From your dashboard, click on Trading to open the platform. Now you're inside the trading interface. On the left panel, click on Options. This will open the Options trading window. Here, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in the symbol of the stock or ETF you want to trade options on. For example, if you want to trade options on Tesla, type Tesla and press Enter. You'll now see the options chain for that stock. This includes a list of call and put options with various strike prices and expiration dates. Use the filters at the top to adjust the expiration date or show only calls or puts. To place a trade, first choose whether you want to buy or sell a call or a put. Click on the bid or ask price next to the option contract you want. A trade ticket will appear on the right side. In the order ticket, enter the number of contracts you want to trade. One contract typically represents 100 shares. Next, choose your order type. For example, you can choose limit if you want to set a specific price. Then enter your limit price and select the order duration. Good till cancelled means the order will remain open until it's filled or cancelled. Next, choose the account you want to trade from if you have more than one. Once all details are correct, review your trade information carefully. Confirm the strike price, expiration date, and the total cost of credit of the trade. When you're ready, click on Send Order. You'll see an order confirmation message. After that, you can monitor your trade under the Orders or Positions tab. To manage your open position, go to the Positions tab. From here, you can close the position, roll it to a new strike or expiration, or adjust it based on the market movement. Always monitor the value of your option, the underlying stock, and your account balance. Keep in mind that options trading involves risk. It's important to understand the potential loss and profit before entering a trade. Questrade provides some tools like charts and analysis to help you decide. If you're looking for a way to stay up to date with the latest options trading opportunities, you should check out Seeking Alpha. The link is in the description below. They have all sorts of tools and charts to help you make more profitable trades. The link in the description will get you a special discount, so make sure you check it out.